Hello, my dears, and a beautiful good morning. We are starting with our next series for daily yoga. Today we are in the bathroom. When you start to brush your teeth, think about not only brushing your teeth, also already clearing your mind, activating the left and right brain together, building your foundation for the day. Because I believe if you start with a strong morning, yes, you can manage your whole day. And we start with a balancing pose. Maybe in the morning it's hard to balance, but just try it. Stand on the left feet and lift the right up, or put the right feet just on top over the left. Place your hand in the hips for more stability and just find your balance. I know in the morning it's like a beautiful challenge. Your spine is long and elongated, and just play around with your balancing. Maybe you also want to stretch already your left arm up high so your whole left side is stretched. Change the side. Find your balancing poses on the right side. Left feet is lifted on top of the right feet or in the air. If you need more challenge, also twist your hands. Start. If you always use the right hand, use your left hand to brush your teeth. If you always use the left hand, use the right one today. Do the equal amount of time on each legs. And if you want to have a more challenging balance pose, come into the chair pose and lift your right leg up to come into the smiling flamingo. I know it's really challenging. You can even twist your body to the left leg. Open your chest, spine is long and elongated. And then twist. Come to the other side. Same opening here. To get some inspiration for the shower, if you stand on the right leg, lift your left one and circle around your ankle. Be aware of your ankle, of the movement. Change the legs, also circle the right ankle. Get aware of your feet, of your grounding. You can even stand and just walk standing and totally be aware in your feet. Same with the hands. Awaken them, use the water, use your whole body, stretch where you need it right now. Just listen to your body. Be free, be flowy. Allow the water to wake you up. Yee! And don't take yourself too serious. Start with a smile and enjoy your whole day. Namaste.